Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the awesome new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. These huge screen phones have gigantic, powerful processors. They're so powerful, they work like a computer, but play like a console, all on T-Mobile, America's largest nationwide 5G network. What do you guys say? Should we get into it? Now inside the box, in the top, you've got documentation, quick start guide, and of course, warranty information. You've also got your brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G or Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and matching S Pen, T-Mobile SIM card, super fast wall charger, and USB Type-C charging cable. So with the design, you've got two different size options. With Note 20 5G, you've got a 6.7-inch flat screen design, and with Note 20 Ultra 5G, you've got a 6.9-inch curved screen design. Beautiful screens on both phones with that Infinity O hole punch camera as well. Now, colors. On Note 20 5G, you've got Mystic Green, Mystic Bronze, and Mystic Gray. On the Ultra, you've got Mystic Bronze, Mystic White, and Mystic Black. Now, the Note 20 5G has a 4,300 milliamp hour battery, and the Note 20 Ultra 5G has a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. And both devices support wireless PowerShare on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. With sub-6 and mmWave support, look at all that magenta. All right, let's talk about camera. High-powered pro lenses right in your pocket. From landscape shots to beautiful portraits, we can capture just about everything. The Note 20 5G has a 64 megapixel camera and a 30 times space zoom capability. Now on the Note 20 Ultra 5G, 108 megapixel camera and 50 times space zoom. Take a look at this. 2.5 miles from Alki Beach all the way to the Space Needle, and with Pro Video on both devices, you can customize everything from your white balance to your ISO, even audio features. Both Notes run Android 10 out of the box. They also run Samsung's One UI. One UI puts controls right where you need them and makes it easy to do things like messaging or menu navigation right from the lower third of the screen where you can reach it easiest. The new S Pen feels absolutely fantastic. It's more responsive, and it feels more like you're writing on actual paper. You can do handwritten notes, and my favorite is I can go ahead and even with my chicken scratch, convert it to text just like that. All right, enough of the serious stuff. It's time for entertainment and my favorite T-Mobile benefit, Netflix on Us. Floor is lava. This is like my favorite show. Don't go on the pyramid. It's a trap. Don't do it. No! Oh, whoa! Man, with a nearly edge-to-edge screen, incredibly fast refresh rate, and a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, the Note gaming experience is absolutely amazing. Sweet! Check it out! These phones are so powerful, they work like a computer, but play like a console. Woohoo! So the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G are coming soon from T-Mobile and T-Mobile.com. Go check them out. This is Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching. Woohoo! Yeah!